Good morning, I'm Hannah Cardoso from Group 6 ABC, and this is a video tutorial for Kahoot. Kahoot is a game-based learning platform which is used as educational technology in schools and other educational institutions. Their learning games Kahoots are user-generated multiple choices quizzes that can be accessed through a web browser or the Kahoot app. Kahoot can be used to review student knowledge for formative assessment or as a break from traditional classroom activities. Kahoot also includes trivia quizzes, Kahoot, and trivia quizzes. Then, here you can log in with your school account or your personal account, or your personal account. If you don't have an account registered, you can choose if you are going to be a teacher, a student, personal, or professional use. You choose what you want. In this case, I will choose a student. Here we select where the month we are birth, the day, and then the year. So, do you think continue? And you make a username. For example, I make for example, I use this username. So I may continue. Oh, okay, this username is taken. So, for example, we're gonna this one. So we continue, and we can with Google or with Microsoft. If you have a school account, you single with Microsoft or I don't know. So if you're personal, you put your personal email. For this, I put it in single with Microsoft. So here I put my account of Microsoft. And then I accept. Okay, so here we are. So now you can here create a trivia quiz, or then for example, I can prove for example that the quiz duration for each question can be 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20, 30, 60, 90, and that. So we are going to put 20. The points you gain, it can be 0, 1,000, and 2,000. We are putting in 1,000. A single select and multi-select. Single select. For example, here we can put for different topics. For example, here I put when America was cover. So here I can put an image, but in this case I won't. So here, for example, I put what? October 12th of 1492, for example. And this is the correct answer. So here, we put, for example, November 14, no, yeah, like that. I put answers and that. Yeah. So then we can add more a question, or we can be a quiz, or true or false. We are gonna make true or false. So here make the second question. And that then you can get into a game. So we put Kahoot point it, and you put the game pin that it will be in the other screen. For example, if we make a game, a trivia quiz, you can play with friends, and for example, you can play with friends on call, and you can show them the screen where the question will be, and on their device they will answer. Then in the game, whoever does it faster and the answers are correct will receive more points. And there are top 5 more points, and that's it. And that's it, the game.